Merry Christmas, friend. Welcome to iOS. TicTacToe written in ObjC programming language. Objective-C is the programming language used before Swift by Apple and other developers. This is Golden Zhang. Okay, in the last video, we created a tap gesture recognizer, right? So we can detect our finger touch. There's one issue I want to review here. In the last video, I put this one inside the header file here. I control drag, right? The view from main storyboard to the header file .h file. Let me repeat this one. Yeah, so last time what I did, right, is I control drag this view file to here. Oh, no, sorry about that. It's not this one. It's the view controller, this one. Yeah, in the last video, what I did is I control drag this view, our board view, right, to here. And actually it's better to control drag this guy to the implementation file. Yeah, not this one. Let me hold on, option key, click this guy. It doesn't go there. Yeah, put it here is better. Because we don't need to put this one in the public, right? It's only used inside this view controller implementation file. Okay, so, and I already checked in. I already made a commit for this change in our GitHub repository. Okay, so in this video, let's create some model classes. Okay. Let's put it back here. Check out the dot because I already committed. Yeah, so to make sure it's clean. Yeah, it's clean, no M. Okay, so let's define our piece class, okay, for our TicTacToe pieces. So we can like right click, new file, Cocoa Touch class, right? Next, piece. So make sure it's a subclass of NSObject. NSObject, that's piece. Okay, so most of class extends this superclass. Okay, and make sure the language is ObjC. And the naming convention in the old days is using 2 letters for a project or something like that. But yeah, we don't put something like, for example, GT, right? Golden Sun, we can put a GT piece. No, I think this is fine for us for this tutorial, and we'll create that. So this is the M. Okay, so we can move those 2 files up to put it somewhere, maybe here. Okay. So this is the .m file, implementation file, and this one, hold on Option key, click. Yeah, this is the header file. There's nothing to do on the implementation because we only need 3 properties here. So Command B. No property. Oh yeah, that's the auto complete helper. So what do we need? It's int, right? Column and property int row a piece, right? And the property boolean is x. Yeah, that's it. We only need 3 properties to represent a logical piece on the TicTacToe chessboard in the game. So with that, let's create another, the most important model class, our TicTacToe game. Okay, so we'll just use the name TicTacToe for this class. New one, Cocoa Touch class, TicTacToe, subclass of NSObject, language ObjC, next, create. Okay, so we'll move it, put here, move up, and this is our header file, and click here and click the implementation file here. Okay, now what do we need here? We need a piecesBox, right? The data type is set, NSSet, or actually NSMutableSet, because we need to change this piecesBox, right? So let's define our property. Here, at property, no, oh, let's put it here in a header file. Okay, at property, no, Command B. I think we don't need to put the piecesBox in a public domain, so I think it's better to put a .m file at property and NSMutableSet. This guy, pieces is a pointer. This means it's a pointer. Okay, piecesBox. Yeah, let's define that, and we'll unexpect at in program, Command B. Let's put it here to make the compiler happy. Okay, so I guess if we put it if we remove the property, then it's okay. Command B. Yeah, and let's just put it here. Okay, so we can use the property getter and setter for this one. Now let's create a initializer. Okay, init. Oh, cool. You see, the autocomplete just put the structure here. So what we need to do here, if self self dot piecesBox, right? piecesBox equal to, we'll create our empty NSMutable set allocate music NSMutableSet this guy a lock and init that. Now we have an empty piecesBox. So what if we do something like that? Command B. Yeah. We might be able to use that. Command B. No. Oh, okay. This is also good. And we can provide our function something like piecesAdd, right? So this we need it to be public. So piece, there's no piece here, so we need to import the header file piece.h. Now we have access to the piece class. Piece, right? We'll return a pointer to the piece at colon and t colon and the row, like that. So this is the signature of our public function provided by model class TicTacToe. So here we'll implement it. Oh, method definition for that. So is there any method definition? Okay, so we needed to provide the implementation here. Can we just type piece? Yeah, nice. Okay, so for now we just return, let's return nil. Okay, to quiet the compiler, run it. Yeah, so we didn't break anything, and if we click that, we still can get the logical coordinates of our TicTacToe game board. And we'll stop here. See you next time. Thank you for watching.